Hi, so today we will learn how to add a product in Shopify. So this is the homepage once you log in into the admin of your Shopify account. So onto the left side you see something called as products. So please click on products and then here click on add a product and then make sure that you decide on the product that you want to upload. So please mention the name of the product. Like here I'm trying to enter something called as a Twistix, which is treat. Okay, Twistix treat. And then here you can add any description of the product if you have it ready. If you don't have it, you can do it later. Here, this is the place where you need to enter the images of the product. So click on add a file, go into your wherever you have already kept your folder for all the images. So right now I'm adding this image. 631528 is the SKU. So I'm adding that. I'm also trying to enter the number 631528. Okay, so the image has been updated here. Now this is the selling price. Okay, so if you are trying to sell this product at 299 and you want to mention the MRP of the product also, which is 349 approximately. I'm just giving you rough numbers here. So you can ignore this charge tax on product. This is only for your internal purpose, you can ignore it. And here I've already entered the SKU earlier. And if you want to track quantity, like for example you have this product of only 100 units or probably 200 quantity, you can mention it here manually or like 200 quantity. If you don't want, if you think that this product will be always be available with you, you can just click on continue selling when out of stock. Even so it will keep selling, it will not give any out of stock update to the front end of the customer. So this is the feature for that. Then as you come down, this is a physical product obviously, and the weight of the product you always need to enter so that in the checkout you can probably add shipping cost based on weight. So these are grams, so 100 grams. So select region. These two things you can ignore it. And then this is something called as the search engine listing preview. So you click on that. The page title, what do you want it as? So twistic treat for dogs. So let's mention it as for dogs. And then you can add some meta description here. So you have a limit of 320 characters, so you can mention that this is the URL of the product page. Okay, you can add anything or it comes by default with the name. And then on the right side, one thing that you need to do is you need to add this product type in it. So let's click on, this is dog street, so let's search for dog street. This category is already added, so it becomes easy here. And then in collections, so this is the most important thing, you need to link this product to a collection so that when you search in the front end, right, it comes in there. So this comes under dogs treat. So let's see whether we have that. Okay, so we have it, dogs as a category. So let's click on that. So it has come under dogs as a collection. If you want to add any filters in the front end, right, this is the place where you need to enter. So maybe you can enter it as dogs if someone is searching for dogs treats. Okay, you can enter that. And then online product, yes, it's an online product only. And then this is active, yes. You can add more products here. So if you have more products, you can add more products. So right now I have one, so I have one more, I believe. So let me add that. And once this is updated here, you can just click on save, and this product is updated. Yes, product is created, added to sticks. So once you have this, it it means that the product is active on the website. So I'm sure this must be an easy thing for you guys. If you have any more doubts, you can just leave it in your comments here. And how to add a category, if you have any doubts of how to add a category, we have already done one video for that. You can just check out the link here, and you can even learn how to add a category in Shopify. Thank you.